friends. Today we will learn the ABC alphabet. Everyone say the letters loudly with us.